Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my video today I'm decided let's do. Today I'm going to show you my lot of videos challenge and it's going to be a lot of fun and let's do it. So first thing, I have to take my purse and see this. This is my mom lotion. She every day use them because I like them and now first thing I have to do to take my wife this. Then I have to take this and wash my face. Then, if you think what is something, because I haven't washed my face, because I forgot my wash my face, because I have to always times to do this. Okay, my face is now cleared. Now it's time for makeup and another tissue is dry. Then I can do this. Then I have to take this my mom's lotion. She every day use them and gives my mom. Forgot to give me my mom because she loves them to give anything. That's why. Now I'm gonna take this, put it, and look now this. And I'm gonna now do in my face. No, it's done. Is now I have to do this take a lip gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss. So what you're gonna mean is first we have to take a white, not more. So it's back to learn. We needed this lipstick. This lipstick so much amazing. It's just like my lips. It's just like I'm sleepy and just that's why. So I'm even gonna take this up because I have to do this all. That's why. So I'll do my teeth. Another work. So first thing we have to do to clean up because of germs in the house. So now we're gonna open because I can't open. That's why. You need to do to open it and see this. Guys, it was a camera, so I will show you my video and see this now. So guys, I'm done because I can now use it. I had to take this lipstick so much good. Okay, I'll open it and this is just a white. You see there's a white color. So I'll put on. Okay guys, I'm done. Now I have to take this another. It's a pink color. I like this all. And it's really colorful. I do the chalk because I do the with chalk. Khadija said me she want a chalk, so I'll do now. Now, guys, definitely I'm done because I have to really done this every day in the morning. Now this is purple color. Yes, I like the purple color. It's really cool color. I'm done, guys. Now what you gonna say me? I will take again pink because my favorite. I have to put all this long. So I'll do it. I'm done now. Now I have to take another lipstick. This Jojo one. This is my favorite. I everyday use candy. Just say me you wanna use. I wanna use. But I have to take a little bit. Yes, that's enough. Okay, and guys, I'm gonna do this. Guys, it's really cute. I like it. You do like it? You like it? It's so much. I can't believe this anymore. Okay, now we have to do. Guys, I'm really sorry. My mom come on. I'm really sorry and can't do this. Sorry. Okay, first thing I have to do to these things are so much possible. I can't do this. But I need this. You see, this is Elsa Frozen. So I'll take it off. And my mom gonna happy me. And let's do here now. It's really broken because I broke them. My mom said me, I'm really busy. My mom is really busy because she cannot. And it cannot. It's not working, guys. Guys, it's really not working. I can't do this now. Guys, I forgot another thing. I'm going to show you Elsa ring. It's so much. I like it. But if you need to do take is if you want, because I have to take a little bit in my eyes makeup. It's really definitely I like it, but can't do this. Okay. This is my dad, Noe. They're really Noe. Okay. That's done. No, another one. I forgot. That's cool, guys. Now, guys, I'm gonna take this little bit in my eyes. Yes, it's really good. This you can put in your eyes and lip gloss. Okay, a little bit in my eyes. Oh, it's really good. I like it. I looking just like a princess. Okay, another one. Now, guys, how is looking good? Okay, guys. Now I have to do my back challenge. It's really good because I never did my challenge. And never ever. Oh my gosh.